Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the Attach to Ground tool in LiDAR360. The Attach to Ground tool allows for batch adjustment of the elevation of vector segments to the surface of point clouds or models. Switch to 3D mode and check the alignment of point clouds and vectors. If there is a significant distance between the vector elements and the point cloud, you can use the Attach to Ground tool to snap the vector elements to the point cloud surface. You can choose to apply Attach to Ground to a specific polyline or to all polylines in the view. Depending on your needs, select the low point, middle point, or high point. Click the default button to reset all parameters to their default settings, and then click Apply. You will see that the vector elements are now fully aligned with the point cloud surface. That concludes our introduction to the Attach to Ground tool. Thank you for watching.